Hey, hi, welcome back. So bag 5 gave me a little bit of problems, but we got through it. Today, well, here's what we have so far. If you didn't see it from the last time. This is what the old typewriter looks like. All right, has a little movement, and I just busted a piece off again. So I'm gonna fix that real quick. Man, it's always something. Anyway, today we're gonna bag out bust 6. We're going to bust out bag 6, which looks like this. So, not a lot of the little mechanics pieces, which is kind of nice because I need a little break from that. So we're gonna get this built, and yeah, here's what that looks like. It is starting to look like a little typewriter. And it's starting to work kind of too. There's the one little whack. Anyway, that works like that. The little key and it goes up, but it doesn't come back on its own yet. I'm hoping I didn't mess something up. And that's just how it is for now. I think you can see that. You hit a key and the little, call it the hammer, little whack. Hammer goes forward. So that's that. Anyway, that's bag 6, right? Yep, bag 6. Stay tuned for the next one. If you want to chat, as always, find me on my socials. There's links. And other than that, I'll see you next time. Peace.